Hello and welcome to our channel, and today I'll be reviewing the half-inch socket set from Top Tech. So the set comes in a plastic molded case with a little carry handle. Feels quite good. And that's what you find inside. We have got sizes 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 24, 27, 30 and 32. So, and these are sort of the quality chrome Vandam. Move on to the ratchet. Like I said, it all feels quite good. I don't know how long it would last in a professional setting, but here at Butler-HQ we've been using not this set but another set, same as this set but not this actual set, since Christmas, and it's never let us down. It's a really good socket set. We paid £27 if I remember correctly, so it's quite cheap. Annoys me is the case doesn't seem to hold the sockets in that well, so every time you come to open it, all the sockets have moved, which is a bit annoying. It's at the end of the world, but it is annoying because you want to open it up and get straight onto what you're doing, but you have to push all these in first, which is a bit annoying. But if you can live past that, it's a good socket set. Like I said, other one that we use is still all in one piece. Nothing snapped. The wrench still ratchet, still works, still clicks, still grabs, and it's all good. We brought two because obviously sometimes you need two sockets for some stuff. So I brought two, so we're allowed to do all the sockets we need. And this one we've just not used yet, so I thought I'd do a review. See if we can get it to loose the sockets inside. See, which is rather annoying. It's not the end of the world though, it's just annoying. We brought the valve set from Euro Car Parts, and they are about £27. Like I say, it's a good kit for a weekend warrior, for a DIYer. When we use them more than a DIYer would, more than what a weekend warrior would, but I wouldn't say we use them as much as a professional in a garage would use them, but we do get a lot of use out of our other socket set, and it's still great. The sockets install nicely shining on our other set. So yeah, I do give this a good rating. It's a nice socket set. So that was my review of the Top Tack socket set with ratchet. Like I was saying, it was £27 last Christmas. I'm sure if you want to spend more money, you get some from like a bit better quality. But at that price range, I'm really happy. £27. It gets you work on your car, it gets you doing stuff, and it's all for £27. Like I said, you could go to the bigger tool companies and pay a lot more and get a bit better quality, or you could just use that and enjoy it. And if it does break, it's £27, really. So I'm quite happy with the set. It works for us here. We've got two. We've not used that one yet because there's been no need, because we have been doing nothing that needed two sockets of the same size. But our other socket set does get used regular, and it's a great bit of kit for the price. So if you did find this review helpful, please like, subscribe and comment. But until next time, bye bye.